Hi, I'm John Mitchell, President and CEO of IPC. As you may know, IPC represents more than 4,000 member sites worldwide, all across the electronics industry. Everywhere we operate, public policies have a big impact on our industry, from corporate taxes to trade agreements to environmental regulations. Today, I'd like to focus briefly on the United States and offer a three-part framework for how the Trump administration and Congress could help advance the U.S. manufacturing industry. A cornerstone of Donald Trump's presidential campaign was his promise to help make America great again by bringing manufacturing jobs back to the U.S. It's an appealing idea, but it's easier said than done, because the 5 million U.S. manufacturing jobs lost since 2000 can be attributed to not just global competition, but more so to automation. In fact, researchers at Ball State University found that almost 88% of job losses in manufacturing in recent years can be attributed to productivity growth, chiefly automation and information technology advances. So renegotiating NAFTA or imposing higher tariffs on imports or making deals with individual companies to keep jobs in the US would not address the core problem. The core problem is simple. US manufacturing output is at an all-time high, but it requires fewer people to make more stuff. And not just more stuff, but more advanced stuff, like flexible circuits, nanotechnology, advanced batteries for electric cars, or the wireless sensors that will power the Internet of Things. But even with fewer workers, manufacturing remains a critical industry for the U.S. economy. According to the U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis, the manufacturing sector employs more than 12.3 million Americans and accounts for about 12% of the U.S. economic output. So Congress and the Trump administration are right to focus on spurring manufacturing and innovation. President Trump took an important first step by forming a manufacturing council composed of CEOs from many industries, including electronics. As the next step, they should establish new policies in 3 areas to advance U.S. manufacturing. First, infrastructure. And I don't mean roads and bridges. The United States needs to maintain and even increase federal support for research, development, and commercialization of advanced technologies through public-private partnerships. Second, education. The U.S. needs higher levels of education and training programs to prepare the advanced manufacturing workers of the 21st century. And third, trade agreements, where the United States needs to balance the tough talk with a clearer commitment to free and fair trade. I'll go into greater detail about each of these 3 areas in upcoming videos. In the meantime, you can learn more about IPC's policy efforts by visiting our website and clicking on Government Relations. Thank you.